Let's talk about right turns. A lot of information here. Right turns. Scan intersection. A lot of beginners fail to do this. They do not scan the intersection. Your job is to look at this intersection. I need to see eye movements. This is your left. This is the middle. This is the right. Scan and look around. I need to see you do that. This is bringing you value. Give it a like. Give it a heart. Whatever's there. Scan. Number 2, check the mirrors. Check your blind spots. This is number 2. Number 3, activate your turn signal. Tap your brakes. Move to the lane, the right position. The right position is not just the right position, R-I-G-H-T. Your car needs to be centered in the lane. Your car has to be centered. If you're too close to the curb, you're going to go over the curb. If you're too far away, you're going to turn in a wrong lane. A lot of beginners go too fast. Slow your roll.